So a lot of people think that you need to go to a hiking store to get all the equipment that you need to climb a mountain. But actually, if you go to a general store just like this one, you can find a lot of the same things for a much lower price. Let's go inside and check it out. So one thing I always look for when I go to these general stores is gloves. People think that maybe you don't need gloves, and even if you're hiking in the summer when the weather is warm, you need gloves not necessarily to keep your hands warm, but to protect them when you're climbing on rocks and ropes and things like that. If you go to a hiking store, you're gonna spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 NT on a pair of really expensive gloves that you don't necessarily need. So I recommend these kind of gloves. I see here they have saws, something like this. This is good for creating firewood, cutting trees. I want to point out that it's illegal to do that in a national park, so you shouldn't be cutting any tree. If you're in a national park, that's a big no-no, don't do that, you'll get in trouble. Only if it's like an absolute emergency. As you hike more and more, you will start to notice that your body hurts. Everybody's does, especially as you get older. This is something I have direct experience with. There's different types of supports and braces for the different body parts. Most of the time I use them for my knees. Something similar to this. This is called a knee brace. You've probably seen people using these before. When you're going down a mountain, your lower and upper leg bones are kind of hitting each other like this, and the cartilage in between can get bruised or ripped or torn. And this helps to stabilize your knee and make sure you don't twist your knee. They have them for, elbows and wrists and ankles. If you have a pre-existing injury in your elbow or wrist or something like that, this is definitely something you want to consider. So as you can see, buying things at the general store sometimes works out. You can get things at a much cheaper price than you could at a hiking store. So if you get the chance, I definitely recommend coming to a store just like this for some of your hiking needs.